Welcome to NextGen Mansions, where dreams take form and luxury floats above water. Today, we invite you into a world not just built, but beautifully imagined. A world where architectural wonder meets nature's calm, and where design, elegance, and serenity converge over still waters. This isn't just a house, it's a living, breathing sanctuary, suspended above a mirror-like lake, glistening in the golden afternoon light. Imagine arriving not at a door, but at the edge of tranquility. What you're about to experience is unlike anything you've ever seen before. A floating masterpiece that expands wide across the water, crafted to be one of the most visually stunning homes ever imagined. Unfazed, the golden hour sunlight washes across the surface of the water. The estate comes to life. The house floats gracefully, stretching wide from end to end, its silhouette perfectly balanced. An elegant composition of domes, curves, and modern lines, all blending harmoniously with the natural world around it. Every angle glows in soft radiance. The roof lines, whether they are sleek and flat, or gently curved like pavilions, reflect warm tones: golden bronze, ivory white, ocean blue, and soft earthy green. These structures are arranged in beautiful symmetry, giving the home a calm, deliberate rhythm. NNTHE main platform floats effortlessly over the lake, crafted from polished stone, high-gloss wood, and crystal-clear acrylic walkways that seem to hover above the water. Step closer, and you'll see design choices that are as artistic as they are luxurious. Carved stone pillars with rose gold inlays, large archways that open into private suites, soft sheer curtains billowing in the breeze. This home doesn't close you in, it opens you up, inviting the beauty of nature inside through every wall, every window, every carefully placed angle. It feels alive, constantly breathing light, water, and fresh air. Interior spaces are just as breathtaking. Inside the wide open pavilions, velvet seating lines the walls in soft curves. Low-profile marble coffee tables sit beside plush, oversized cushions in deep coral, sunset orange, and pastel mint. The ceilings are tall, some carved with floral reliefs, others trimmed with golden patterns that glow in the afternoon sun. Crystal chandeliers hang above, catching each beam of light and tossing it around like stars. Every room opens to a view, water stretching out in every direction, framed by pine trees and softly rolling hills in the background. And everywhere, light dances. There are no dark corners here. Every space is kissed by the sun on the outer deck. The home becomes a canvas of color and texture. There are hanging lanterns suspended between wooden beams, glowing gently even in daylight. Elegant bonsai trees in large planters line the walkways. In the center of the platform lies a floating garden, part reflecting pool, part meditation space, filled with miniature trees, flower bowls, and sculpted stone pathways. You can walk barefoot along these bridges, listening to the soft sound of water flowing through miniature channels. The scent of jasmine and cedarwood fills the air. Everything is made to soothe. Everything is made to impress. NNBUT. It's not just beauty, it's brilliance. The mansion blends advanced engineering with delicate artistic vision. The floating base isn't a single structure, it's modular, designed in a perfect ellipse that flexes with the water, ensuring both stability and grace. The platforms are balanced to withstand time, movement, and seasons, and yet they look lighter than air. There's no mechanical noise, no harsh lines, just curves, calm, and craftsmanship. The house appears to levitate, anchored only by imagination and art. And even the lighting has been curated like jewelry. Subtle golden LEDs run along stairways and under benches, giving everything a glow. Inlaid lantern bowls beside walkways hold dancing flames, and the light from within the room spills out in warm halos onto the deck and water. It's like walking through a dreamscape, where every step brings a new angle of beauty. From the front left angle, this mansion reveals its full glory, a visual feast of balance, scale, and elegance. Each section, from the luxury spa dome to the open-air lounges, is positioned in harmony, giving the viewer a complete sense of size, flow, and opulence. There are no people here, no distractions. Just you, the water, and this architectural marvel. It's peaceful, yet majestic. Private, yet expressive. Every piece of furniture, every stretch of curtain, every splash of color feels considered, placed there not just to look good, but to feel right. The mansion becomes more than just a residence. It becomes a place of reflection, a floating paradise that invites you to stay forever in its embrace.
I hope this video enjoyed you according to your predictions. So at the end I want to request from you, never forget to like, subscribe, and especially never forget to click on bell icon for upcoming my videos to your account. Never forget, and must be comment below. If there any deficiency you feel in my video, then comment it. In next videos I will improve that. Okay, thank you.